Hello, in this video I will teach you how to switch to personal account on Instagram. If your account is private, then what is the way to back to the personal account? So open the Instagram account, and on the bottom right side you need to click on the profile picture, and on the upper right side you need to click on the three lines, and then go to the account privacy. Here you can see that your account is right now private and no one can see your post. So if you want to convert to the public, then what you have to do is click on the account privacy, and then here you can see that your private account is enabled. You just need to click on the left side. Now you can see that your account switched back to the public account. So here you need to on the switch to the public. Click on switch to public. So in this way you can easily convert your private account to the public and public account to private. So if you think the video is useful and helpful to you, please support my channel and comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.